Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Well, if you remember, we stopped at the during reading part last time when we were dealing with the Unit 4, No Man is an Island, and today we are going to carry on our lessons, of course, in a different way, and I hope that you will help me by doing your tasks and working hard as you used to do in class. Now, so before dealing with the georeading part, so you read the report which is on page 120 on your course book, of course, and then when you finish reading it, you answer this question here, from number 1 to number 5. So number 1, you've got question number 1. In which paragraph does the author mention his findings, and in which one does he give his interpretation? So the findings here, that means the results. So in which paragraph are these results mentioned, and in which paragraph does he give his interpretation? That means his conclusion of of the report. 2, why did he use the adverb interestingly? So the author used this adverb here in a sentence. So why did he use this adverb here, specifically this one here? Why? Use it to show something, of course. What is it? 3, does the report confirm the older generation's worry about the problem? So we said that the older generation here had a point of view, a special point of view about the young people. So does the report confirm this view or not? Number 4, find in paragraph number 2 an indirect question and a reported statement. There's a sentence here. Number 5, why did the writer use indirect questions and reported statements in the report? So why did he use indirect questions and reported statements? Why? Then when we finish your during reading task, so you move to your after reading 1. So, and in the after reading, of course, you've got consider the examples below, then answer the questions that follow. Of course, you've got 2 examples here, number 1 and number 2, and each one with a sentence, of course, each one with a sentence here. So you read them carefully, of course, and then you answer your questions. And the question number 1 is, what punctuation? And you know what the punctuation is, of course. It means a comma, full stop, quotation marks, a question mark, and so on and so on. So what punctuation did the writer use in the direct question and the statement? That means here, in this one, and in this one here. What punctuation did he use? Did he use it in the reported questions and the statement? In here, in this one, in this one. So did he use punctuation in this one here and in this one here? 2, in which tense are the verbs used by the journalist in the direct question and the statement? In which tense are the verbs which are used by the journalist in the direct question and the statement? That means here, this one here, I'm talking about the introductory verb here, and this one here. Question number 3, which verb is used to report the question? This one. So this is a question with a question mark. So which verb is used to report? So here. So which verb is used to report the question? Which tense is it? Which tense is used here? Number 4, which verb is used in the direct statement? That means here. Sorry, here. They said, and this is the direct statement, of course. Which tense is used here in the verb? Tense of the verb here. Number 5, which verb did he use to report the informed statement? And this one here. So this is what they said, and this is the reported statement here. So which verb is used, and in which tense is it? And my last question is there a difference between the tenses used by the author in his direct question and statement. That means here, this one, and this one here. And the reported ones, this one here, and this one here. Why? And of course, if you want to send your tasks and the written productions, of course, you can send them to my Gmail, of course, which is Kazzcooler, of course, which is Kazzcooler, Kazzcooler at gmail.com.